What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today is an exciting one. We're finally bringing back this abandoned Mustang. This is gonna be probably like a little series of rebuilding the Mustang, and probably like, I don't know how many parts of videos, but yeah, pretty much bringing back an abandoned Mustang that looks like complete shit. Gonna transform it into something pretty wild. So hope you guys are ready for the journey. Hopefully you guys are ready for the whole little series, because yeah, this is what it looks like right now, complete shit. And just get ready for, I guess, the little transformation. There's a lot going on, a lot of mess, a lot of shit to do. So yep, there's nothing else but I guess just to do it. A little backstory on the Mustang. Pretty much, if you guys seen Instagram, whatever, it was a little stance car, and then I was gonna sell it. And then I started parting everything out, so that's why it looks like shit. I might as well turn it into a full drift car. So it's sat here pretty much at my parents' house for, it's like 2 years now. And yeah, it's just been sitting. I've been collecting parts, and that's why it looks like complete shit, because I had fenders, I sold the fenders and sold everything pretty much. So that's why it looks like this. But we got all kinds of parts stacked up, ready to put on it. Alrighty, some time has passed and this has been a mess. So pretty much the diameter of these bolts for my studs are like centimeters off. So I've been at 2 different hardware stores, pretty much having to find a drill that fits the stud of my bolts on the wheel. So I had to go grab a drill bit, and we are pretty much re-drilling these holes. And I got the front wheel on finally. But yeah, the littlest things, I swear, the most like annoying, frustrating thing ever. But here we go. There's a quick little look. It's gonna look wild with the fender on and everything, but I'm so happy the wheels just are on here now. The littlest things were so fucking frustrating. But yeah, finally got these on here. And yeah, I could finally get the car moved and washed. Finally got all 4 of the wheels pretty much like re-drilled, and you can't even tell from pretty much this side. Only shitty part is, yeah, I guess you can tell from the back, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. No one's really gonna be expecting my wheels like that, and at the end of the day, it's a drift car and it's TE, so. But let's throw her on there. Finally, after a few hours, the littlest job, man, I swear, it took so long, but finally the wheels are on, re-drilled pretty much to a bigger size. But yeah, that took a few hours, honestly, not gonna lie, just for the stupidest thing. But that's like going to Home Depot and O'Reilly's trying to find a drill bit. But yeah, finally. And damn, this car is gonna look so good, I think, when it's finally completely done on the outside, at least with the wide body wrapped and everything. It's gonna look wild. But got the wheels on there. Our next little part 1 for this video, because we're gonna do it on parts, because we're pretty much building this car in like a few days. I'm down here at my parents' house trying to slap all the parts on here, getting the smog and everything, whole mess things. But yeah, it's gonna be filmed in parts, but part one is pretty much putting the wheels on, installing the seat, and I'm gonna wash the whole car and clay it before wrapping it. But for the wheels, they are T37s, 18 by 10.5 in the back, and then 9.5 in front by, I want to say plus 22 or some shit like that. I don't know if that's exactly, but they're around there. They're positive. But yep, that's it. Our next job is to start it up pretty much, and then I'm gonna install the seat, which is pretty simple. It's just brackets on each side, and yeah, the seat just bolts up to that. So yep, I'm gonna start it up. I started it up earlier, so I don't know if it's gonna be as loud, the cold start, but I guess here we go. It's been pretty much 2 years of not starting this car. I'm so happy to fucking hear this car. So happy to have it. So happy to finally get this thing going again. I've missed it. The wheels are on now. Finally moved it out of the little pothole over there, and about to give it a quick little wash. Nothing too special. There's spider webs literally all over this car. Give it a quick little wash on the outside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, this car is filthy. So we're gonna give it a quick little wash. Knocked the car wash out. Nothing too special, just to get the dirt off. This thing is just so filthy from sitting. It literally needs like a whole clay and everything. And there's not much body parts to the car. There's no front fenders, there's no back bumper. The bumper's over there. Parts are scattered everywhere. It's a fucking mess. But looking a lot better than what it was. Got a lot of the dirt off. Didn't really clean the doors. Got new doors, got new fenders, not front, back fenders. So there's not much left to the car to clean, but it was dirty. Wanted to rinse it off. I need to clay it, which I'm probably gonna have to run to a detailing store tomorrow and grab some clay, because I'm wrapping pretty much everything that's not carbon. So it's the roof, the mirrors, and the trunk, and like the quarter panels right here. So that has to get done, and the front bumper and the back bumper, both of them. And it looks crazy just like this with some T's on it. So I'm so hyped to finally have this car done, working, looking crazy, and I'm excited to see what you guys think of it. But we're gonna go tackle the seat now, which is a pretty simple install, and that was probably gonna do it for the video. You guys watched the last video. This is the seat we're putting in. It's a Sparco with the halos, and got the brackets right here. Pretty simple install. I just gotta get my seat adjustment what I want, and take this seat out.